జగిత్యాల్లో అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చిన ఫోక్సో కోర్టు ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా ప్రారంభించిన హైకోర్టు జడ్జిలు పి నవీన్ రావు, షమీం అఖ్తర్. జగిత్యాల్లో ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్ సెషన్ కోర్టు అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చింది. హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తులు పి నవీన్ రావు, షమీం అఖ్తర్ వర్చువల్ పద్ధతిలో ప్రారంభించారు. కార్యక్రమానికి ఉమ్మడి జిల్లా న్యాయమూర్తి ఎంజి ప్రియదర్శిని, అదనపు జిల్లా జడ్జి సుదర్శన్, జగిత్యాల జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ రవి, జగిత్యాల శాసనసభ్యులు డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ కుమార్ ప్రారంభ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్నారు. ఇన్నాళ్ళు ఫోక్సో కేసులను కరీంనగర్ కోర్టులో విచారించేవారు. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఈ కేసులు జగిత్యాల ఫోక్సో కోర్టులో విచారించనున్నారు. త్వరగా కేసులను పరిష్కరించే వీలుండడంతో బాధితులకు త్వరగా న్యాయం జరిగే అవకాశం కూడా ఉంది. కోర్టుతో పాటు శ్రీ కాసుగంటి లక్ష్మీ నరసింహారావు మెమోరియల్ లైబ్రరీ కూడా ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ భవన నిర్మాణానికి కాసుగంటి లక్ష్మీ నరసింహారావు ట్రస్ట్ తరఫున 1,20,00,000 ఆర్థిక సహాయాన్ని అందించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా జగిత్యాల బార్ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున కాసుగంటి ట్రస్ట్ వారికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలిపారు.
देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीपति नाम विद्रे वदो महासरस्वत्यै नमः शिवो नाम रूपाभ्यां या देवी सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थशरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते समाक्षो अरिष्टने विष्णो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम नमः सदसे ध्रुवं ज्ञानपीर्यसोहा स्थानो मुञ्चन्द्वस्वामि मित्रयोगेश्वर कृष्णनेत्रनाथो सोचेर्वाणे तनुकृते सकल कल्याणं भाजनं मित्रयायते पुरुषस्तवजं नित्यं वजामि करणं हरिओत्तार्येषु
समास
XMLA also unanimously elected in those days.
ఒకసారి ప్రెస్ వాళ్ళకి వెళ్తే
జగిత్యాల పక్షాన ఒక చిరు సన్మానం
ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ రావాలి సార్ రావడానికి కారణం
వారికి స్పెషల్
సార్ కొంచెం జరగండి సీను సార్ ఇక్కడ
We are grateful to the Honorable District Judge and you have always visited our court premises, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. on behalf of the Bar Ocean, you also invite your assembly.
మా లోకల్ మా లోకల్ కౌన్సిలర్ గారు మా బార్ మెంబర్ జయశ్రీ గారిని మా లక్ష్మణ్ సన్మానం చేయాలని నిర్ణయించినాం కాబట్టి దయచేసి మీరు ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ వెయిట్ చేస్తారు. ఇస్ ఫంక్షనింగ్ ఇన్ ధర్మపురి టౌన్ విచ్ వాజ్ రీసెంట్లీ ఇనాగరేటెడ్ by retired Justice Sri Challa Kodandaramu Garu, Milord. One junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court is functioning at Medpalli. One of junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court, Jagtial district jurisdiction, and public in general to get the justice at their doorsteps expeditiously with least cost below. The Bar Association Jagtial is thankful to Honorable Chief Court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial, along with the premises temporarily for functioning of the POCSO Court at Jagtial in the court on this auspicious occasion and gathering below.
Lordship, I'm accepting the memorandum. I submit on the record. Sri K. Lakshman Kumar Garu, Member Bar Council of Telangana, to speak on this occasion. To inaugurate the POCSO Court and also Bar Association building.
Yes, sir. Mr. Lakshman Kumar Garu, next thank you.
If you don't take knowledge of the Jagtial town, no, there are many, many more communities who are flourishing.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial is inaugurated by the Honorable Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of the State of Telangana. Thanks to Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana for his endeavor efforts in establishing the Fast Track Special Sessions Court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial on this auspicious occasion, my Lord. Thanks to Dr. Justice Shamim Akhtar, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District for sanctioning this district and for providing 27 guntas of land for parking of vehicles at existing court building complex, Milord. And also Bar Association Jagtial wholeheartedly expressing gratitude for sanctioning allotment of funds for the said court and inaugurating Fast Track Special Sessions Court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases.
It's a very good note today. We have the Fast Track Court opening and our portfolio judge, Dr. Shamim Akhtar, when he has taken charge after COVID, we got all the courts opening in this district, sir. I am grateful to you, sir, on behalf of advocate community. I thank you very much, sir, for taking initiative for opening of the courts. I also thank Sri Justice Pungoti Naveen Rao Garu, who has sanctioned so many courts to this district, and we advocates request you to continue same support to the advocate community of the Karimnagar district. Sir, this Karimnagar district is 13 bar associations, one of the biggest district in Telangana, and we have more than 2,200 advocates practicing, sir. They are very senior good advocates, and the bench and bar relation is very good. And I once again thank on behalf of the advocate community, Honorable Justice Naveen Rao Garu and Dr. Shamim Akhtar Garu, Justice of the Honorable of Telangana High Court. Sir,
very good morning to all of you. We are privileged to have the inauguration of the Fast Track Special Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagitial being inaugurated today virtually along with the Bar Association building. We are very much thankful to the Government of Telangana as well as Honorable Justice who have been kind enough to grace this function virtually. And special thanks to Sri Lakshman Kumar Garu and his family for constructing a building worth 1.2 crores and giving it to the Bar Association. With this court, the litigant people of Jagitiala district would be benefited since the rape and POCSO cases would be disposed as expeditiously as possible. So all the litigant people would be making use of this. Thank you very much for this, sir. The district administration is always supportive to the association as well as the judicial officers at Jagitiala, and we will be continuing the same. We have handed over the additional land of almost 27 kuntas for the parking because the existing court building didn't have a parking space, sufficient parking space. So we have handed over the land for it. We have also identified land to an extent of 10 acres, 12 kuntas in Darul camp as per the request of High Court of.
I would like to say a few words in relation to POCSO Act. This POCSO Act is enacted for efficient dealing the heinous crimes of sexual abuse and sexual exploitation of children. It's a comprehensive legislation. It provides protection to children from the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. It safeguards the interests of the child victim at every stage of the process by incorporating private mechanisms for reporting, investigation, recording of evidence, and speedy trial of offences through special courts. The fundamental principles to be followed in determining of the case involving a sexual offence against the child are laid under this Act. The Child Welfare Committee, the police, special force, all other government functionaries, as well as non-government organizations and experts assist the child at the trial and pre-trial stages.
To all the dignitaries on this August occasion on behalf of Karimnagar District Unit, my Lord, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed today's chief guest, Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Sri P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana. Your Lordship, for having taken time of your many responsibilities to join us here today and to share this occasion with us, and indeed for having inaugurated POCSO Court at Jagitial and valuable thoughts sharing with us on this occasion. We are deeply grateful to Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. Shamim Akhtar Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District, for gracing this occasion with Your Lordship esteemed august presence and enlightening the MJ Pradarshini Garu for the initiative she took in holding this function, and also for guidance to us in all our activities, ensure that we always do the right thing in the right way. I also express my thanks to Sri T. Surendra Garu, President Bar Association Jagitial, and his team who have taken keen interest in the arrangement of this program. I also thank to Sri Lakshan Kumar Garu, Member Bar Council, Telangana, for donating a beautiful building to the Bar Association and being in participation of this program. I hereby acknowledge and express my sincere thanks on behalf of the Bar Association Jagityal and the district of Karimnagar, my lord, to our district collector G. Ravi Garu for providing infrastructure to POCSO court. All the infrastructure to the court as provided by the district collector himself, my lord. And I also extended cooperation for allotment quotas beside court premises for parking and also for allotment of land an extent of 10.12 quotas in Darur camp for construction of court building complex, my lord. I also express my thanks to Sri C.H. Rupesh, Additional Superintendent of Police, Jagityal, and police officials for extending their cooperation for security arrangements. On behalf of Karimnagar District Unit,